What is the
What
church?
is church?
Is the church a building? Is the church a pastor? Or the staff? Is the church the music? The tradition? Or the ministries?
Atau
These
pelayanan?
are all good things,
Semua itu
but they
baik.
are not the church. Take them away and the church is still here. Why? Because you are still here. The church is you. The church is you with a purpose. The church is you on a mission. The church is you with a plan. A simple plan to plug into God at a weekend service. To charge up in a small group community. To live out using your gifts and passions. And to pass on your faith to those who do not know Christ.
Meneruskan imanmu kepada mereka.
You and I live like this. All the things we used to do in church become things we do as the church. God desires it. The world needs it. And we are called to be it. What is the church? The church is